iOS 17.2 New Undo Move option. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on the new Undo Move option in iOS 17.2. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have moved an app mistakenly and if you do not want to remake the apps on your home screen manually, then there is a quick and easy way to undo the Move app option. So to do that, firstly go ahead and launch the settings application on a device and scroll down and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17.2 or above, as this feature does not work in iOS versions below 17.2. Now go to your home screen and make the changes. Here, as you can see, I have moved my Macs application in a new folder alongside Fiverr. So to undo this move, all that you have to do is simply shake your phone and you will receive a pop-up for Undo Move app. Tap on the undo button and with this, as you can see, all the apps on the home screen are as it was before. So this is the new Undo Move option. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.